I'm going to show you guys how quickly it is to get ads up with Leads Buddy Core CRM. All right. Today I'm going to go to all Google channels. We're going to get ads up on Google for Leads Buddy. What this will do, it will go to your website and it will generate an ad off of the information in your website. And it's pretty cool, but I'm going to use my website, and I already have some images already created. I need a landscape image, and I need a square image. I already have those ready. And make sure that the ads fit correctly where they will be shown, because they'll be shown in multiple places. You'll have them on YouTube videos, at the bottom of YouTube videos. You'll have them in Gmail, search result ads, Google display ads on different websites and in different places, and then Google Discover ads. I'll have a logo here ready to go, and I won't be adding a YouTube video for the ads right now. That's a great idea if you have a video, a product, or a service that you want to push in front of YouTube viewers, people that are going through YouTube and being targeted. Google knows who needs painters or HVAC or carpet cleaning services or pressure washing services. It knows who needs that stuff and is looking. So you can push your products, your services, your videos in front of them. Pretty cool stuff. I'm going to go back over here. So it generates headlines and descriptions for you based off your website and off of your business description, which I already plugged into here. I'm going to change this, and I'm going to make it say home services. I'll just leave these as is for now. I'm not going to add a phone number. I'm sending them to a website. And then boom. I go down, I hit create ad. I can choose the targeting. If I want them in Florida, if it's Sarasota, wherever I want them to be for my targeting, it will do it. Say Sarasota, Inglewood, Northport. Alright. That's where these ads will be shown. But I want it in all of Florida. So I'm going to remove this. Leave that as is. I already got my creatives in here. All my headlines and messaging stuff. My budget, I'm going to make it $5 a day. This should get me between 3 and 25 clicks. Reach about 2,000 people a day, which is fine by me for now. Hit create. You're about to create your ad. Okay, go. And this will officially launch an ad into all those Google places I showed you. And then I'll be able to view the results and see which ads are performing well, which ones are performing badly. It'll have all the metrics. Day 1, week 1, week 2, and ongoing. It'll test all these ads, the different headlines, the different descriptions, and see which ones perform better. If I had a lot of different creatives or images or video, it would test those as well. And then it's going to graph it all out over the week, a month, a year, the day, and give you the insights, the cost per click, the click-through rate, how many people it's reaching, the cost per conversion, etc. And yep, I officially now have some Google Ads launched. If this is something that would help your business, feel free to message me or go to leads-buddy.com. We can get you signed up pretty quickly. and get your business generating website traffic and leads in less than a few hours, tops. All right.